Who is the strongest person in the world?
Si Goku. Batman.
Who is the strongest person in the world?
Ako eh.
English.
Sentence ka yan? Selatan.
Who is the strongest person in the world?
Si Rizal.
Who is the strongest person in the world?
Johnny Sins.
Who is the strongest person in the world?
Manny Pacquiao.
Who is the strongest person in the world?
John Cena.
Pacquiao.
Oh, who is the strongest person in the world?
Lapo-lapo ah. Kaya kita ko ka na kagit si Johnny Sins.
Who is the strongest person in the world?
Si Jesus.
Si Oscar. Si Manny Pacquiao.
Who is the strongest person in the world?
Si Thor. Si Thor. Raon.
Sino?
Si Raon.
Who?
Si Thor.
Thor?
Letter C.
Letter.
Who is the strongest person in the world? Who is the strongest person in the world?
Strongest? Si ano? Si Diwata. Si Raul. Si Hawk.
Si Pe.
Sino? Who?
Gagano. Bata rin ni ano. Baka ni Mary June.
Who is the strongest person in the world? Who the strongest person in the world?
Where are you going? Si Hawk.
Who is the strongest person in the world?
Johnny Sins. Saitama.
Who is the strongest person in the world? Who is the strongest person in the world? The strongest person in the world. Who?
Story.
The strongest person in the world in history.
God. Si God.
Sikat.
No.
Si Hera. Si Athena.
Benta ko si Superman.
Who is the strongest person in the world? Who is the strongest person? Who is the strongest person in the world? Who is the strongest person in the world?
Person yun? Person yung person no?
Strongest person in the world.
Gaya ka na ako yung person mo ba no? Mo sounds up in the strongest. Pinapertinahan ka ano bali. Si ano? Si ano yung probably Trump.
Trump?
Yeah.
Who is the strongest person in the world? Who? Who is the strongest person in the world?
I think my mother.
Oh. Who is the strongest person in the world in history? Who is that person? The strongest person in the world? Hmm? Oh. Who is the strongest person in the world? Oh. Who is the strongest person in the world? Who is the strongest person in the world? Who is the strongest person in the world?
My mom. My mom.
Strongest person in the world.
God. My dad. God. Your mom, Gani. My mom. Ay, hindi ko sa ikot ko. My dad. My dad.
No?
My dad.
My dad. Who is the strongest person in the world?
Gulayat.
Oh, who is the strongest person in the world?
Iron.
Oh,
Parents.
oh,
Parents ako. Nanay.
who is the strongest person in the world?
Armstrong.
Oh, what about others? Other question, other answers. Strongest person in the world. Yep. Who is the strongest person in the world in history?
Strongest person in the world. My power or what?
Only person, ordinary person or being.
Kung ay si ano Papa Jesus. Papa Jesus.
Who is the strongest person in the world?
My father. Ikaw. You know?
My father naman eh. My father.
Who is the strongest person in the world?
Huh?
The strongest person in the world in history?
My father. Diyan maram daw.
Meron na lang.
Oh,
Din Mr. daw.
Just na.
who is the strongest person in the world?
Pero.
Pharaoh. Who is the strongest person in the world?
God.
Person God is divine.
Napatay ko na buhay. Hercules.
Hercules. What about you?
Sakto Hercules.